Hi friends, I want to show you my new drawer dresser. We're gonna open it and we're gonna install right now. The process can be a little large, but it's so easy. The product comes with all the accessories you need to install, and that makes everything easier. This drawer dresser is perfect for rooms or laundry rooms, actually your living room or any space in your home when you need to organize or saving space. All dresser drawers and chests of drawers are made of hard wearing and long-lasting colorful fabrics, and the cabinet structure is made of high-grade metal and thick wood planks to prevent shaking or tipping over. This dresser have 17 drawers. Small drawers can be used to store small items such as underwear, panties, socks. And 3 medium-sized drawers that can store about 15 shirts, t-shirts, scarves. And finally, 8 large drawers that can hold more than 10 pieces of sweaters or pants. So as you can see, the dresser is easy to install. The size is perfect. You can put it in your room and not need so much space, and you can put inside so many things. It is recommended to use an anti-typing kit fix the bedroom dresser to the wall, so you don't have to worry about other people being hurt, especially the babies. It's so useful and an excellent product if you need to save space in your home. I highly recommend this dresser drawer, and you can buy it in other colors too. So I highly recommend it. See you.